Go ahead. Can we start? Yes. The first one who wants to ask Deepika
Or anyone else a question.
or anyone else, yes.
Quick, raise your hands.
Okay, I'm going to take this one, of course, because see, time out. Of course, the new blog.
Ask. Alok is not here again to start this press conference.
Go ahead, ask.
आप हेडलाइन के बारे में पूछेंगे, मुझे पता है. हाँ?
क्योंकि भाई अभी समय दिख रहा है, आगे पता चलेगा.
कॉन्फिडेंटली पूछिए ना सवाल.
अभी वही दिख रहा है तो अभी वही पूछ सकते हैं.
मैं दिख रही हूँ.
नहीं, सलमान है यार.
और आदित्य का कुछ लाइन.
Salman and I are star-crossed lovers.
Well, we're not star-crossed lovers, we're like star-crossed lovers. And मैं हमेशा ये लाइन इसलिए यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि अभी काफ़ी सालों से लोगों ने हमको फिल्म ऑफर की है, बट for whatever reason it never happens, and that's why in reference to that I meant we're star-crossed lovers. Yeah.
Okay, now your film is out. Of course, it's done. Happy New Year has done really good. How does it feel? I mean, something about the film that I think everybody wants to know.
What's
How
the
was
collection now?
experience? Yes, he got it right. He just added up to it.
Ask me anything about the movie, I can tell you, but I think collections is the producer's department, reviews is my director's department. I think for me what is important is the love and appreciation that you get from an audience. I think it's been very well received. I think the kind of reaction that I've got to the film is, I think that's what one really looks forward to. You know, when you go out on the streets, you meet your fans. People keep greeting you Happy New Year, or they say, you know, आपका काम अच्छा लगा. I think that's the most satisfying feeling for me as an actor.
You're still promoting Aren't You Tired? Because I can see all over the press, all over the media, all of you all are promoting. So
I think tonight at Shah Rukh's with his birthday and bringing in his birthday, I think will be the biggest celebration, and I know that the entire team is going to be there, so we're all looking forward to that.
Okay, so after this, there's a party happening.
Yeah, why do you think?
Anyone else? Yes.
दीपिका, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का जो सक्सेस फीवर है वो अब तक बॉक्स ऑफिस से उतर नहीं रहा है. आप पर से उतरा है या अभी भी वही सक्सेस फीवर चढ़ा हुआ है?
तो लग रहा है ना सक्सेस फीवर चढ़ा हुआ है. चढ़ने दीजिए और भी चढ़ने दीजिए.
I'm not going to deny that when a film does well, it's a very, very nice feeling. Having said that, I don't think that you can. I don't think that it's something that you should hold on to for too long. Yes, enjoy it for a day or two because we've all worked really hard. Whether it was the film itself, whether it was the promotion of the film, blood, sweat, tears, everything has gone into making that movie. And then when the results are in the way that we have got, the kind of reaction that we've got to the film, the way it's doing at the box office, the kind of success that this film has seen, I feel like we deserve every bit of it. But at the same time, I personally believe that it's something that one should not hold on to for too long. Enjoy it because, like I said, you've worked hard, but you have to move on. Life goes on. Whether a success or a failure, life has to go on. You can't keep dwelling on it or taking it in for too long.
दीपिका, now you just spoke about yourself and Salman that आप फिल्म करना चाहती है but हो नहीं पा रहा है सलमान के साथ फिल्म. And ऐसे reports हैं that now that you've started, you worked with Shah Rukh, so you belong to Shah Rukh's clan, and that's why you're not doing a film.
Really?
There are reports.
Give us some credit. No, I think we're a little more mature than that. I don't think we're not like school kids who are like, I'm your friend, I'm not your friend. That's a bit. It's a bit silly that we're even asked this question, honestly. And I think I'm someone who's had a very comfortable equation, whether it's directors, whether it's producers, whether it's actors. There's absolutely none of what you're saying. I think it's just the timing of everything has to be right. It has to be the right kind of film. It has to be the right director. It has to be the right kind of part for him and me to come together. And I feel like the more and more we're not doing a film together, the more this pairing is becoming like, they have to do a film together. I guess that much more expectation. But no, I just think that it's something that has to happen very, very organically. And while our fans want to see us together, and I'm equally more than the film itself, I'm more excited about, I've said this somewhere else also, I'm more excited about the process of working with him, because I know he's a very, very interesting person and a personality to just be around on set and things like that. So I know the experience will be a lot of fun, but I think it also has to happen organically. It can't, it's not something that you can put together. You know, it has to just fall into place.
All right. Okay, do you actually
Okay.
think...
Who are you? Where have you come from? You're somebody's girlfriend? Are you a journalist?
Ethan,
She's only smiling. She's just smiling. She's your girlfriend, huh? Don't lie. She keeps looking at you and smiling.
go ahead.
Going to be your girlfriend.
Last row.
I know, yeah, I can make out, please.
Last row. She wants to ask.
Yeah.
Contemporaries inspiring you?
Who inspires me?
Anyone from the
From my contemporaries. I think everybody inspires me. I say this because I think it's the most interesting time to be in Indian cinema right now. The kind of filmmakers that you have, the kind of talent that we have, the number of actors that we have, the kind of films that we are being made. I think everyone is... I really believe that it's the most exciting time, and the kind of films that not just me, I think even my contemporaries are doing, everything is so exciting right now, that I think everyone is, I think everyone is challenging the other in a very, very positive, healthy way.
All right, there we go.
Deepika, recently Kill Dil के promotion में गोविंदा like just complimented रणवीर that उन्हें आपकी और रणवीर की जोड़ी काफी ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है?
He actually said this to us when we were at IFA last year, and he met me backstage, and I think Ram Leela had just released, or he had seen something of Ram Leela, and he really, really liked our on-screen pairing. And Ranveer is someone who's extremely fond of Govinda, and I think he enjoys his work, and he in a lot of ways tries to be like him, because I think he's inspired by Govinda in a lot of ways. So I think it's a huge compliment for us coming from someone like Govinda ji, whose work we admire and whose films I've grown up watching.
दीपिका, आपने रणवीर सिंह का न्यू लुक भी देखा होगा, कैसा लगा आपको?
जी नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं है, because I've not started shooting for Bajirao Mastani yet. When I start shooting next year is when I'll see the look.